Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to give you guys a quick reminder that there is another free 8x10 photo at Walgreens. It does end September 28th, so if you guys want to do this deal, definitely do it. You just have to use the code FREEBIGPIC. You just order it right through the website. Sometimes you guys can order it through the app. It's different through the app, but most of the time you have to order it through the website. You just put the online code and then just do in-store pickup, and it's absolutely free. A lot of you guys love these deals, and I just wanted to do a quick video to share with you guys to get a free 8x10. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.